Decentralized exchange aggregator 1inch claimed on September 15 to have discovered a severe vulnerability in vanity address generating tool Profanity. This has the potential to put millions of dollars in user money at risk. 1inch founder and CEO Anton Bukov warned Ethereum users in a tweet that funds are not SAFU crypto lingo used to express that user funds are at risk of loss following a hacker exploit. Transfer all of your assets to a different wallet as soon as possible. 1inch network later said in a security. If you use Profanity to get a vanity smart contract address, make sure to change the owners of that smart contract. Hundreds of millions of dollars at risk. Profanity is a tool that allows Ethereum users to create vanity addresses, a type of custom crypto wallets that contain recognizable names or numbers within them. The popular tool was launched sometime in 2017. In its report, 1inch explained that the private keys to addresses generated on Profanity could be calculated using brute force attacks. It claimed the vulnerability may have allowed hackers to secretly siphon millions of dollars from Profanity users' wallets for years. 1inch contributors are still trying to determine all the vanity addresses which were hacked, said the outfit, adding, "It's not a simple task, but at this point, it looks like tens of millions of dollars in cryptocurrency could be stolen, if not hundreds of millions. One good thing is that proofs of hacks are available on-chain forever." Profanity developer. Don't use this tool. Profanity anonymous developer, who goes by the moniker Jogus on GitHub, said that they abandoned the project a few years ago after finding out about fundamental security issues in the generation of private keys. "I strongly advise against using this tool in its current state. The code will not receive any updates and I've left it in an uncompilable state. Use something else." The developer added. Ethereum uses a combination of public and private keys to generate wallet addresses, a long list of random alphanumeric characters. Those that have the private key to an address are able to authorize the transfer of funds from one account to another, proving they own the money. Vanity addresses, however, are generated somewhat differently. 1inch detailed that Profanity, a popular and highly efficient tool, allowed users to create millions of addresses per second and searched for those strings of letters and numbers requested by users for a bespoke wallet address. 1inch said the method used by Profanity to generate the addresses was not foolproof and that public keys from vanity addresses could be calculated with brute force attacks. Also, the developer of the Profanity program deleted all files with this vulnerability. "But I still have the old version of Profanity. Now I will show you how it works and for what reasons hackers gained access to the balances of some wallets. Now I'll show you how the Profanity program works. I have an old style program. The developers did not make any changes to this program. To begin with, this program must be on the C drive as shown in the video. I have fully configured the program for the convenience of searching for private keys from ETH addresses. There is a folder number 2. There are 3.5 million ETH addresses recorded there. These addresses are used as templates so that the program looks for matches. But I will use file 21 for the demonstration. Short address templates are recorded there so as not to drag out the video. I also set up the results file so that the program saves the addresses found there. The vulnerability of the Profanity script is that the developers made a mistake and the program used a small range of combinations. They did not do it on purpose, but many people created memorable ETH addresses using Profanity and hackers took advantage of this vulnerability. The meaning of the vulnerability of the Profanity program is that it can sometimes generate addresses that have already been used by other users, since the program generates in a relatively small range of combinations. This means that anyone can take all ETH addresses with a positive balance and insert the addresses into the program as templates and just wait for the program to find matches. Of course, no one knows how much time a hacker took to find one address. I think it's not even a hacker, but a simple person who used the Profanity program and accidentally found matches. Of course, for 7 years, many created addresses and sent their ETH to these addresses. Also at first the ethers were cheap and many forgot about their wallets. In any case, this program is like a lottery. It is very difficult to find matches, but it is possible. Also, this Profanity program can randomly find any ETH cats. The program can also use a video card for work to increase the number of addresses being sorted. You can install this program on a dedicated server and it will look for matches there. I will leave a link to the Profanity program old version in the description of the video. And keep in mind that the search for matches is like a lottery, or you will never find it or you will find it in a few minutes. But if you accidentally find an address that a person uses, do not take someone else's assets.